Hello viewers, friends, good morning. It's a beautiful Saturday morning today, and after 3 days of heavy rain, we are back with nice bright sunny sunshine. So today we will be making some bhurji, egg bhurji. So let me show you. As you must be all knowing about the bhurji, it's very common. So we've taken a kadai with which we will be putting some oil in it, and in the oil we will be adding some onions and green chilies, some ginger garlic paste, and we have got capsicum, yellow capsicum, green capsicum, red capsicum, and spring onions to give it a nice look as well as taste. So here we go. We start. The oil is warm now, so we put the onions and the green chilies in it. We've got 3 eggs here. Just give it a nice flipping. Mix it well. Okay, now we put the spring onions in it. We don't need very much for the decoration on that. We don't want to fry the spring onions too much. Okay. Now we will be adding some salt. We add some salt, little bit, not much. Okay. So for masalas, what we are doing is now we will put in a little bit of Kashmiri, little bit of garam masala, just very little bit, 2-3 pinches of coriander powder, jeera powder, and we will put haldi, fresh ground haldi, which we always like to use, just a little bit. Stir it nicely. You can see our masalas. The turmeric is giving out a beautiful smell, the haldi. We just medium the flame now. Just give it a nice stir. Beautiful smell. Capsicum, garlic, turmeric, and garam masala. Fantastic smell. So nice stir to the eggs. Ready for pouring, and here we go. All ready for pouring. And now it's time for mixing and to make the bhurji. So keep stirring for the bhurji from the sides. Keep stirring. Keep stirring. You might be able to put the flame a little higher now. Here we go with the bhurji. It's a fast holiday morning breakfast, or in the evening also you can make have it with rotis also, but with bread it tastes awesome. Children love it, family loves it. Nice breakfast. So maybe tomorrow is Sunday, so you can probably make this for tomorrow's breakfast. The kids will be happy. Friends, if friends are coming down, give them a treat. And you've seen that with 3 eggs, I made with 3 eggs. Sorry, with 3 eggs, how much I've managed to cook. So give it a nice stir. You have to keep on stirring it because the gravy has to dry up. The water content from here has to dry up. The water which has come out from the capsicum and onions has to, but it has to be slightly soft. You leave it in the karai till we do the plating. And what now we'll do is just add a wee bit of dhania to it. And leave it like this. And if you want, you can add some, for kids, you can add some cheese to it. It is very nice if you add cheese. So all yours. Thank you very much. I'll be plating soon and I'll show you all after the plating. And if you've enjoyed my video, it's a very short one. If you've enjoyed the video, please press the like button and share it with your family and friends, and do subscribe. Don't forget, please. I'll bring you more recipes, smaller ones, easy to make. And here we go. Thank you so much for watching. For my plating, I've put the paneer egg bhurji and a little bit of cheese on top. Some I've put cheese, some I haven't. So this is just a decoration and optional. Some grated cheese on top. We kept some yellow capsicum, pepper, green pepper. These are all for decoration, all are optional. So just to give it a nice look. So it's all whatever you want to do it. Add some coriander, a little bit on top here. Here we go. And that's a beautiful bhurji, egg bhurji. So enjoy. Thank you so much.